Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can stop autoplay on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Then what you're gonna do is open a video, any video like this one.
Topic is relevant.
Then you'll find here this option. After opening video, you'll find here this autoplay option, which is toggle on. If you don't want to autoplay, or if you want to autoplay, just turn it off. Okay, so this is how you can do this. You can on off this like this way. Once you off, your video will not be autoplayed. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.